Hello everyone, it's Tim from Adhesives. Today we're going to be having a quick look in the Maker's Supply Kit from Bambu Labs. I looked on the website and you can kind of see what's in the kit and it's listed out individually, but there's nothing like getting your hands on it and being able to see what's inside. So let's go and have a look. So it looks, everything is wrapped up really well and organised inside there, so that's really nice. Okay, let's start and see what we've got here. A couple of motors, a few motors in the top right hand corner. So here we've got the threaded shaft reduction gear motor, 1000 RPM, one of those in the box. Let's just have a look at that. Maybe we don't want to look at all of these because they kind of look the same, but it's nice to actually have a look at one of them so you can see how big they are. Oh, that's a very tiny cable right there. And look at that. It's pretty smart. I hope Bambu Lab will be doing some larger motors in the future as well as these small ones. But these are great to start with for doing small models. I'm just going to put that to one side. So here we go. It's another motor, slightly different specification to this one, I think. Yep, M3 by 45 on this one. So it'll look the same as the other one. There's kind of no point in taking that out of the box really. This one is bigger. So what do we have here? Okay, it's another motor. Counterclockwise, single axis, 59 RPM, runs off 5 volts, which is what USB uses, as you should probably know by now. So it's a bit bigger, nice plastic enclosure with the gears inside, direct USB as well, so yeah, you just plug that in, it'll run. Speed controller, compatible with the other motor that we just looked at. Okay, some assembly required, but not much. Looking forward to having a go with that. Fan speed controller. Okay. So let's go for the big one. This is an AA battery case. I'm not gonna unbag this. You put AA batteries in it, and you get power out this 2-pin connector on the end. Lovely. That'd be very useful. And there is also a AAA battery case next. So same thing, small, fully enclosed. It's not one of these ones with the gaps in it. It's a fully enclosed battery case. What do we have here? Potentiometer with SH1 connector. And there's 2 of those in there. So you get 2 potentiometers in the bag. Okay. PDU, power distribution board, 4 channels, so you plug in a USB and you get 4 channels out. It looks like there's actually more than 4 channels, but okay. Self-locking button switch. Yep, on-off switch, push button, latching. Okay, here we have what looks like another battery terminal. Yeah, battery terminals for AAA batteries with a connector on the side. Great. 10 centimeter wire pairs. This will be used to interconnect all the different accessories that presumably use the same connector. USB-A to 2 pins just for power there. We've got 10 centimeter wire pair. Again, to connect more of your accessories with the same cables. We have more cables, this time 20 centimeters. We've got some jumper cables, again, 5 pieces there with the same connector type. And now we've got a 5 centimeter wire pair with the same connector. Okay, so you do get some LEDs in the kits. Here we've got some 5 volt 5-volt LEDs. You have 4 of them on the board, and there seem to be 2 of them in there with some cables. I think this is the same thing. This one says white, the other one doesn't. So maybe there's a different temperature in between this LED and the one that I showed you previously. Lots of little boxes in this front left-hand section of the box. So we've got a series of smaller motors. I'm going to open one of these now so you can see what it looks like. This one's smaller, so probably look different to the other one. I'm going to guess there's a cable in here. Probably, yeah, there we go, there's a little cable. And this one's going to be very tiny. There we go, that's very tiny. So that's my thumb, and that is that's the motor, pretty small. Put that to one side and have a look at the others. Maybe these are all motors. So we've got various different specification of tiny motors. All slightly different spec. So all oh, we have something different now. Okay. Okay. Servo motor. This will be slightly different. Let's have a look. So we've got a 9-gram servo motor, nice and small. I don't know what we will control it with, but we have one. 4x2mm round magnets. I have loads of round magnets for making things, but I actually don't have any 4mm wide ones. I have 5 and 8 and 6, but this is the first 4mm one. So good for the collection there. Okay. This is actually quite a large bearing. I was quite surprised to see that we get this huge bearing in this kit, and actually we get a larger one too. So yeah, excellent. Those will go to good use. Plastic balls. I don't really know what we're gonna do with these. I suppose they're fun. Okay. Helical spring, compression springs, they are pretty weak. They're going to be fun for some models though, so useful. Some slightly stronger springs here, 12x70. Okay, lots of screws. Screws are boring. Maybe you don't need all the details about the screw. 2x14. 2x12, 2.5x6, 2x8, 2x6, 2x10, 2.5x10, 2.5 nuts, 2.5 washers, I guess, yeah, and self-tapping 2.6x8, and we've got M3x23. Yep, these look like they need inserts, I guess, but those will be useful for something, I suppose. Okay, more? There is more still. There is all of this, and they're mostly screws. So we've got M5x12, helical compression springs, but very small ones. And some slightly larger ones there too. So 0.5x7x12, 0.3x3x10. More springs, 0.5x5x25, and screws, self-tapping, slightly different size. Okay, we've got some slim bearings here, MR128. Lovely. Those will come in useful. More ball bearings, very, very, very tiny ones. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure what we use with these. I don't get on with tiny things. I'm getting old. My eyes can't see things as well as they used to. So here, oh, this is interesting. So we've got thrust ball bearings here where they sit on these things. And yeah. Okay. Dowel pins. These are pretty useful. So we've got 2x14, 2x13 in brass. That's nice. Torsion springs, excellent. I can never find those when I need them. Steel deep groove ball bearings, another size, quite a large one there, lovely. That will go to good use. 2x33 brass dowels, oh, nice and long. 2x25 stainless steel dowels. More dowels, 2x18. Stainless steel balls, okay, useful. 2x22 brass pins, and the last thing, 120 degree torsion spring, 1x5x3.